Good morning, YouTubers and stock Twitters. This is Bag of Dawn. It is Wednesday, May 27th at 10:38. This is our first video of the day, and our trades are underway. How are your trades going? Did you see this? Entries matter, and let us show you how we go about entering our trades. You're watching what we call the swing machine. The swing machine. And the swing machine tells us how we want to be positioned and when we want to be positioned. That's the important thing. It tells us whether we should be long or short and when we should enter. Now let's just look at the T time. This is the ES. Now we trade futures because we trade with such surgical precision. Why not use a leveraged product? Meaning leverage means you're using even more capital than what you have. We're choosing not to use options because we don't want to have a time constraint. Options, the value of an option does hinge upon time. With futures, it does not. And so it's one of the reasons why we use futures during the day. But we can also use swing machine for stocks, which we will show you in a moment. But the ES contract, this is the E-mini contract for the S&P 500. And if you had gotten the signal from Swing Machine, as our members did, at 9 a.m. today, and the trend is strong, trending down, you would have shorted at 30.19, and you would be up $1,800 plus. Not a bad trade. The NQ on a 5-minute, at 6:45 a.m., the entry was at 9474.25. Had you taken that trade, you would be up nearly $5,000. The Dow, the YM on a 5-minute, was at 930 today, $1,000, and the Russell at 9 a.m. as well. So much for free markets, right? These are machines that we're tracking, other people's machines, with a lot more money than us. You would be up almost 1680. So this is 2,000, that's 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, about $10,000, and it's not even 11 o'clock yet. Holy crap, Bagger! How much is a membership? Well, we have a monthly membership at $99 a month, but to get Swing Machine on your computer, all the software on your computer, which includes Swing Machine, and our indicators, and our strategies, and so much more, the cost is $5,000 a year. But before you tune out, let me explain something. We have a program called the Q School. It's a 4-week program to learn how to trade and how to trade the Swing Machine and our tools. 4 weeks. What do you get during those 4 weeks? You get 24 hours of self-paced video instruction. You get a live shot of what you're looking at now of the Swing Machine for 4 weeks, 24/7, so that you get to trade in simulation to see how you do, and with our coaching, and you get access to me to ask me any and all of your questions over the 4 weeks. It's an educational opportunity. And how much does that cost? How much do you think it would cost? It's just $1,500. $1,500. But on top of that, if at the end of the 4 weeks you say, Bagger, I got to go live. I'm ready to go. I want all these software packages. Send them to me. We will. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to subsidize that education. I'm going to meet you halfway. We're going to apply the $1,500 that you spent on the Q School toward your annual membership, knocking down the annual membership from $5,000 to $3,500. And then on top of that, year after year, as long as you stay with us, you're loyal to us, we're loyal to you, we promise never to increase the price. And we'll be available to help you write code and send you all the new code that we'll be writing for years to come. I'm bagging on at stockmarketcaddy.com. If you want to really get serious, if you want to stay in the stock Twitter world and, sending memes out, oh, I just shorted Apple, yay, I made $600, yay, oh, I made $10,000, yay. If you want to do that stuff, have at it. But if you really want to trade with the big boys day in and day out, you really want to do this as a living, you need someone to talk to. You need someone to mentor you so that you set yourself up for success. You might be more successful than you could ever dream. Remember, folks, there are 20 trading days in a month. $200 a day is $4,000 a month. We have folks that just make $10,000 in 2 hours. Now, I'm going to come back later and show you the swing machine. Now, these trades may still be on. One of the beautiful, beautiful things about swing machine is it helps you stay in the trade. See, there's no reason to come out of these trades. Over here, swing machine tells you the combined trend is strongly down. The near trend is trending down. The distant trend is trending down. And the altimeter is all red. There is no reason to come out of the trade. So see, this trade here that we were up 1,000, we're now up 2,000. This one's up 5,100. This one's up almost 2,000. If you're having difficulty not just getting in trades, but are you coming out too soon? That's the nemesis. That's the challenge that drives, the amateurs to drink and drives them into the poorhouse. They get on a trade. We're in a choppy market. Swing machine says take their profit. They stay. And they have winners turning into losers. Then we get into a trade. Swing machine says stay put. Stay put and ride it. What do? They get out. So the market is choppy. When the market is choppy, they're trying to hang on. And when the market is hanging on in one direction, they're choppy. And they're going no place real fast. We teach you how to overcome that. We teach you how to put in stops at the moment your trade goes in. We teach you how to take the negative outliers completely off the table. We have zero tolerance for negative outliers. Zero. And we can show you. And you're going to demonstrate it. We're not going to demonstrate, well, we can demonstrate it to you, but it's not about that. You're going to demonstrate it to yourself during your Q School program. See, we can show you how, we can teach you how, but I can't give you confidence. You have to go out and get the confidence, but we're going to show you how. And if you struggle, I'm going to do everything I can to teach you it's not really the tricks, it's just the tools. They're not tricks, it's just like playing golf. You need somebody to show you how to hit the sand shot. You don't go into the sand bunker with your putting wedge. Or not your putting wedge, your putter. So this trade here, since 9 o'clock, $2,200. And there's no reason to come out. This trade at 6:45, $5,400. And there is no reason to come out. 9:30, $1,300. No reason to come out. 9 o'clock, $1,800. No reason to come out. Close to $10,000. I think it's over $10,000. Do we advertise? No, we don't have to. We don't. Nope, it's word of mouth. So somehow, some way you found us. It's up to you. I'm a real person. I'm not Jason Bond. I'm not doing a bunch of Google ads. I'm not spamming anybody. I'm not selling advertisement. We're actually the real deal. And if you want to come in and you want to give me a call and you want to come in and see what we're doing day in and day out and even talk to some of our members, we can do that too. 813-758-8263. My name is Don Marshall. I don't bite. Happy to talk with you. Share with me what you've been doing, what's been working, what hasn't been working, and I'll shoot straight with you as to whether or not we think we can help you. There hasn't been anyone yet that we haven't been able to help. We've taken folks that have never traded before in their life and they're doing well, and we've taken folks that, have been professional traders in the pits. Feel free to give me a shout. Thanks.